Can you solve this expression on the board before I reveal the answer? Very easy. Solution. 4 open bracket x minus 3 close bracket equal to 2x plus 6. 4 times x, 4x, plus 4 times minus 3 minus 12 equal to 2x plus 6. Collect the like times. Collect like terms. 4x. This is plus 2x. Coming here becomes minus 2x equal to 6. Minus 12 coming here becomes plus 12. So 4x minus 2x, that is 2x. 6 plus 12, that is 18. Then divide both sides by 2. So 2 cancel 2. X is equal to 2 here 1. 2 in 18 is 9. Final answer. Very easy. Like and share. Bye.